What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how to contact Supercell support to recover your Supercell ID, especially if you've lost access to your email and need help getting your account back. If you can't change your Supercell ID email on your own, Supercell support team is the only way forward. If they're able to verify that you're the real owner of the account, they can help you regain access by changing the email linked to your Supercell ID. During this process, you'll need to provide a new email address that isn't already connected to another Supercell ID. To contact Supercell support, start by opening the game linked to your Supercell ID, such as Brawl Stars, Clash of Clans, or Clash Royale. From the main screen, go into Settings and tap Help and Support. Once you're in the Help and Support section, look for the blue message bubble in the top right corner of the screen and tap it. This opens the in-game support chat where you can contact Supercell directly. If you don't have account protection enabled, Supercell will need detailed information to confirm you own the account. In your message, be ready to provide as much accurate information as possible. This usually includes your player ID or player tag, your account name, your account level, like Town Hall level or XP level, and the name of your clan, club, or team if you're currently in one. If you've made purchases on the account, include the transaction IDs from those purchases as well. These are extremely helpful for verification and can speed up the recovery process. Once you submit all the details, Supercell support will review your request. If everything checks out, they'll help you update the email linked to your Supercell ID so you can log in again. And that's it. That's how you contact Supercell support and recover your Supercell ID when you're locked out. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.